Coffee time. Thank you, Zax. Hello, Mike, Hansel, Techie, Justin, Tiger Hoods. Tiger Hoods. It's original. What color are the cabinets? I don't know. They're like a barn board. They look like a barn board. They're some sort of grainy, light grainy. Good morning, everyone. Live is jumping now. Right. What was happening earlier? I think everybody was sleeping. The deer's sleeping in, you guys are sleeping in. Everyone's back now. Good morning. Hello. Don't forget to tap, tap, tap. Tap, like, share, follow. Living on Lake Time. Does everybody have their favorite coffee mug this morning? Good morning. Hello, hello. Juliana. Good morning. Roy. Tobias. Dr. Fish. You don't drink coffee? Tea? Energy drink? Anything? You left yours on the cabinet back there? I'm sure you did. Should I go get it for you? Yes, my toenails are painted, okay? But I did them myself. What am I doing for the 4th? Okay, spoiler alert, guys. I'm Canadian, so I am not doing anything on the 4th of July. July 1st. I will be doing something on July 1st, not the 4th. As for what I'm doing, I have no idea. I haven't heard of anyone doing fireworks, or like nothing close to home. I don't know if I'm gonna bother. Yes, Canada Day A. Canada Day A up here in Canada is on July 1st. So yeah, that's tomorrow. Yeah, that is tomorrow. I gotta figure it out today. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Thank you, thank you. I'm glad you've been enjoying my shorts. Almost 5,000 likes today. Just have to go there. Oh. Johnny, it's not my birthday, but thanks for the cake. You're welcome. That's too funny.